Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to unbox and review the black and white Panther Dashiki Bohemian Batik Kuku Polo that I just got from Lazada. Let's get started. This polo is described as having a unique Bohemian Batik design with a black and white panther motif. The material is a soft and breathable cotton blend, which is perfect for comfort and style. Wow, look at this. The design is absolutely stunning. The black and white patterns really stand out, and the panther motif gives it a bold, edgy look. Let's take a closer look at the textures and details. The fabric feels incredibly soft to the touch. You can see the intricate batik patterns. This shirt is not only looks great but feels durable as well. The black and white contrast really makes the panther design pop. It's a perfect blend of traditional and modern styles. Now, let's see how it looks on. This shirt fits perfectly and feels so comfortable. The breathable material is ideal for any weather. Plus, the design is so versatile, you can dress it up for a night out or keep it casual for a day out with friends. I'm absolutely loving this shirt. It's stylish, comfortable, and definitely a statement piece. If you're looking to add a unique and fashionable piece to your wardrobe, I highly recommend the black and white Panther Dashiki Bohemian Batik Kuku Polo. You can find the link to buy it in the video description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.